Hi everyone, this is Josiah with MachMotion. We're working on the Onsrud Panel Pro, and we're putting it on rear control, and we found out we don't have an existing electrical schematic for this machine. So all these drill bank solenoids, all our limit switches, any I/O on this machine, we're going to have to track down manually. So the only way to really do that effectively is just start tracing this wire. So we've established all these solenoids are running to this multi-conductor cable here, and we can either take a multimeter and ohm it out, or in this case we just manually followed it up through the head. We traced it all the way through these cable tracks, all the way down, all the way around into this electrical enclosure, and pulled it out here. So now through trial and error we're going to determine what wire does what. Will correspond with the drill bank in the back for the colors, terminate it into our relays over here, and we'll be good to go. If you have a machine you'd like to upgrade, please reach out, talk to us, and see what we can do for you. Thanks so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, stay in touch. We'd love to hear from you.